Conrad Layn, Avail University. My name's Conrad Layn. Now, if you're trying to look for an employee for your business or you have experience with starting a business, you understand how important an employee is because it allows you to delegate and save a lot of time. And there's only 24 hours in a day. There's only so much one person can do. The cool thing about Avail is you actually inherit free employees. Let me explain. When you add your car to the Avail platform, you set it and literally forget it. That's it. You drop your car off at the Avail lot. Someone will check your car in for you, check your car out, take all the pictures on your behalf. You'll get a free Allstate insurance policy. You don't have to pay for insurance anymore for your car. And they will actually maintain your vehicle, wash your car. You get free parking, the state parking at their lot. And what they'll essentially do, they'll allow you to also recoup and get paid $450 guaranteed earnings. And you just leave your car with them and let them drive it, take care of it, etc. Give it to guests and rent it out on your behalf. And that's about it. These are basically your employees that you inherit. This is the perfect way to start your business, no money out of pocket, and you get free employees and an Allstate insurance policy to take care of it. Like, subscribe, share, Carl Lane out.